Today we'll see Google Chrome extension, that is Wappalyzer. If you install this plugin, this Chrome extension in your browser, then you can get all the applications that have been used for creating any website. For example, I am opening an academy here. So if I want to know this key by using which all technology this website have been built, then you can get that. Okay, so first of all, let's start with adding this to a Chrome. So click here on add to Chrome extension. Yeah, it is downloading and installing. You can say here it is taking time in process. And now you can see it is installed. Wappalyzer have been installed. Thank you for installing the browser extension. So now you can see here under your installation. So if you click on this three tip, you will see extensions, manage extensions. Then here you can see our Wappalyzer, and you don't see here on the top, but I want to pin it. So if I click on this pin, you will able see here on top. Okay. So now coming to check this website upon by using which all technology it has been created. So if I refresh this page, and here you can see it is developed using JavaScript frameworks like the React, JSS, Emotions, Next.js. These are the JS frameworks have been used. And you can also see the hosting, Cloudflare's, CDNS, JS, issue tracker. So these are all technologies that have been used for developing this application. If you open the Moodle, let's see what all technology have been used for creating this. If I come here, click, and you can see here it also uses the WordPress. It uses this for the chat purpose, intercom, analytics, hotjar, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. For blog, you see here the WordPress, security, HSTS, RSS. These are all, and also the PHP have been used. Cloudflare, Flare, MySQL DB. Okay, for any website you can see this, but in few of cases you will see that this is not giving any information because the security feature, locked security feature. Okay, now coming to see ICC cricket website. Okay, let's see by using which technology it has been built. So icccricket.com. If I come here and I see React.js, Vue.js, Next.js, so these are all technology I've been used. So this is how you can use this application, that is in Chrome extension. You can use to get to know the all the application that have been used, technology that have been used. If you see come under more technology, it will give you will see the option to make it to pro. Currently I'm using this as a free version. So I think this will give you the more detailed information, but yes, I think this will be enough to know you. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.